Audio Engineering Tips. Audio Engineering. Written and narrated by Donald Reed.
Single flow. The first thing I'm going to talk about is single flow. Single flow starts from the time you hook up your mic to mixing board, mic XLR, to line in, to trim, to EQ, to post fader, and dual fader. Is when you pull down the fader. If the board is set pre-fader, you can have an effect on the channel and pull the fader down and still hear the effect in the headphones because it separates the channel to level and so on. Mics. There are many different mics, as you most likely already know. Here are some of them. Omnidirectional picks up everything in a 360-degree radius. Another one is directional, everything in the front of the mic. Bidirectional, everything in the front and back. Supercoloroid, more picking up from the side. Hypercoloroid, even more from the side. Miking drums. You can use a number of mics, one on hi-hat, one on all the toms, two separate on overhead cymbals, one on bass. Drum. Earring miking is when you put one mic beside one ear, and then you put the other mic beside the other ear, and then pan hard right, hard left to get a stereo effect. Recording guitar. Recording electric guitar. When recording electric guitar and using an effect processor, make sure you tweak to get the sound you want, like setting EQ for different tracks. Most preferred is directional guitar. For singer-songwriters, some engineers use an omnidirectional mic. Put it halfway between the guitar and the singer. At times, it may need to feel a little more fuller enough. You can put a small wood board in the room. The sound will hit it and give the room some fullness and sound. Classical guitar and acoustic guitar. Place a directional at the 12th fret, 8 to 16 inches away, and one at the bridge, and direct input to the console. Recording piano. For example, if using directional mic on one side of the piano, use the same quality on the other side.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?